This is state of emergency. What you want me to do? I'm sorry. I'm back.
What's up, everybody? Another episode of Cooking with Linnea. Today I'm making another one of Coco's favorite meals. I know, what's with this? I need to make something I like. Anyway, we're making cupcakes. Do you like cupcakes? I do. A pre-mixed dry ingredient, which is flour and some other stuff, and it has sparkles, which I like. I like the sparkle. So I've already pre-made the icing, which is egg white and sugar. And also, I've got 3 more eggs over here that I'm going to add to the dry ingredients. And I'm going to put 1½ cup of water. Alright. So, I'm going to do the water first. Alright, 1 cup. There you go. I think mixing this is going to be a little difficult. Don't you think, Coco? Oh, yeah? Alright. There we go. Ooh! I need to crack the egg. Yeah? Alright. Oh, I'm going to do it over here because this looks really messy. Perfect. Slowly. Perfect. One more. Okay. I'm just going to mix this up first and see what happens. Especially when you're making cupcakes or even just cakes in general, you should really take your time and learn how to mix it. Like, I can use a lot of instruments. I really could take out a beater, but I like doing it the old-fashioned way. Definitely. And while you're doing this, you also get the oven. I've left the oven on for about 10 minutes at a temperature of 350. And when you get back, this batter will be in these lovely containers. Okay, so now I'm pouring in the batter into these neat little compartments. Isn't that cute? Yeah. Okay, so the next time you see these, they'll be cupcakes. And then I'm going to put the icing on it. So, come back. So, let's take out the cupcake. Whoa. See, I've learned. Step away from the stove. Here we go. This is hot though. Seriously? Okay. Okay. Where's my stick? Here it is. Okay. No, that's not done. Okay, I'm going to put that back. Alright. So here we go. The cupcakes are complete. Aren't they pretty? Right, Coco? Yeah. So I'm going to make them cool for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to add the icing. I'm almost complete putting the icing on the cupcake. And I've also got sprinkles. I hope you like sprinkles because I do. So I'm just going to do this one here, and then I'm going to show you how you sprinkle cupcakes. There's an art. That's really good. Did you taste it? They didn't line up. I have to wash my hands, I like that. Okay. So, it's called a twist and shimmy, okay? So you go like this. I have no coordination. Twist and the shimmy. There you go. So I've done 2. All that, and I only have completed 2. Okay. One more time. I'm going to do a bounce. Bounce, shimmy. Ooh, the bounce, shimmy. Look at this one. Like it? Okay. So basically, you just put the sprinkles on the rest of these cupcakes, and then you give them to people you love. And I love you, so I'm going to give you a cupcake. See you next week. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Bye.
Show me what you got, little mama.